What makes a city truly unique and exciting? To answer that, we're embarking on a journey through Fishers, Indiana, and uncovering the best things to do in this vibrant community. Our question is simple: what makes Fishers a remarkable place to visit or call home? 1. Conner Prairie Interactive History Park. Our adventure begins at Conner Prairie, an interactive history park where you can step back in time, experience life in the 19th century, ride in a hot air balloon, and even take a voyage on the White River in a historic paddle wheel boat. 2. Ritchey Woods Nature Preserve. Ritchey Woods Nature Preserve is a natural oasis in the heart of Fishers. With scenic trails, it's perfect for hiking, bird watching, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the woods. 3. Nickel Plate District. Nickel Plate District is the heart of Fishers downtown. You'll find a variety of restaurants, shops, and seasonal events here. It's a hub for community gatherings and cultural experiences. 4. Saxony Beach. For those seeking sun and sand, Saxony Beach is the place to be. This urban beach offers a relaxing setting for sunbathing, picnicking, or taking a dip in Saxony Lake. 5. Fishers Agri-Park. Fishers Agri-Park is where you can connect with the community's agricultural roots, explore the gardens, learn about sustainable farming, and enjoy fresh produce at the farmers market. 6. Topgolf. Golf enthusiasts will love Topgolf, where you can practice your swing in a fun and interactive way. It's not just a driving range, it's a social experience. 7. Fishers Farmers Market. The Fishers Farmers Market is a great place to explore local produce, artisan goods, and homemade treats. It's a weekly event that highlights community togetherness. 8. Hamilton East Public Library. The Hamilton East Public Library is more than just a place for books. It offers a variety of programs and resources for all ages, making it a hub for learning and community engagement. 9. Bellaricay Park. Bellaricay Park is an expansive sports and recreation complex. Play soccer, tennis, or enjoy a picnic by the pond. It's a fantastic place for active families. 10. Ruoff Music Center. Music lovers can catch their favorite artists at Ruoff Music Center. From concerts to festivals, it's an iconic venue for live performances. 11. Geist Reservoir. Enjoy the scenic beauty of Geist Reservoir. Boating, fishing, and lakeside dining are just a few ways to make the most of this local gem. 12. Fishers Heritage Park. Fishers Heritage Park provides a glimpse into the city's history. Explore the historic Ambassador House and enjoy a serene stroll through the surrounding grounds. 13. Nickel Plate Trail. The Nickel Plate Trail is a fantastic destination for biking, walking, or running. This scenic pathway offers a beautiful way to experience Fishers' natural beauty. 14. Ikea in Portillo's. Fishers is home to the only Ikea in Indiana, and nearby you'll find the first Portillo's in the state. These iconic establishments are must-visit spots for shopping and dining. 15. Craft breweries and wineries. Fishers boasts a growing craft beer and wine scene. Visit local breweries and wineries to savor unique flavors in a welcoming atmosphere. So, what makes Fishers, Indiana such a remarkable place? It's the perfect blend of history, nature, community, and a touch of modernity. It's where you can step back in time, embrace the outdoors, enjoy local culture, and relish the best of contemporary life. With that, our journey through the best things to do in Fishers, Indiana comes to a close. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations of remarkable places. Fishers is more than a city. It's a vibrant experience, and we hope you have the chance to experience it for yourself.